Hello guys, welcome to my store, a little Kioskin in Danish. It's here in front. All of my stock is here already. I move here in my second store because I know that my grocery there in the other side in front of of the main road is easy to be expired because of reflex of sun. And then I decide to bring here because I grocery that not long time ago. Instead of waiting to be expired, much better to sold out all of that before I buy a new items again. Ito siya guys sa loob. Welcome to Antaran store. May billiard pero this time ay wala pang mga tao. Ito ang aking little store. Yan. Yan. Maliit lang pero maraming laman. Diba? Tignan, I'm busy every day to, taking care of my niece and taking care of my store to. Tapos nagbibisi-bisihan na ako. Sa totoo lang guys, I'm always here. Evening time, I need to go home and, sleep early because I know that next day I will taking care of my boutique again, my store. Yun lang guys. Bye!